Hey everybody, this is David Bradley from richmansgym.com, and this is the Rich Man's Gym Podcast, a personal development podcast dedicated to strength and conditioning for body, mind, and spirit. So if you, like me, you're looking to level up, you're looking to expand, you want to tap into that true potential of yours, well, my friend, you're in the right place. So thank you so much for being here. Let's get started. Oh, and hey, listen, if you check this out. If you're finding some value in the podcast, please make sure that you go subscribe so you don't miss anything, and then share this sucker out into cyberspace, because if it's helping you, promise you it's going to be helping somebody else. So don't be selfish, share the love. Okay. Also, before I get into today's topic, which is going to be on essential amino acids, let's get a quick word from two of our sponsors. If you're tired of only working for your money and are ready to get your money working for you, then check this out. This is the Transact card, a first of its kind Visa bank card where you double your dollars on every transaction. Transact card provides you with a system where your money finally works for you. The days of underwhelming 1% to 2% cash back are over. Are you ready to welcome in dollar for dollar rewards? Double your buying power and create financial momentum. Look, if you've been trying to save your way to wealth and that isn't working out the way you hope, maybe it's time to try spending your way to wealth instead. Learn more at whatistransactcard.com. That's whatistransactcard.com. Are you ready to finally stop smoking but don't know where to start? This book, How to Stop Smoking Without Killing Anyone, is here to help. Written by a smoker, for a smoker, you will receive the step-by-step guidance and strategies you need to finally kick the habit before the habit leads to you kicking the bucket. Imagine yourself back in control of your health and your life. Visit StopDon'tQuit.com right now and start your journey back into the non-smoking section. That's StopDon'tQuit.com, StopDon'tQuit.com. Today's episode, I'm skipping the Grace update. I'm skipping the quote of the week. I just want to jump right into the content, if that's okay with you. Today, I'm going to be talking about unlocking the power of essential amino acids. These are your body's protein superheroes, if you like superheroes. If you've ever wondered, like, how your body does what it does, how it builds, it repairs tissues, how it supports immune function, how it carries out essential physiological processes, say that fast 3 times. The secret, right, that lies in essential amino acids. And so these 9 little superheroes, if you will, they're in a group of 9. I just said that. These 9 little superheroes. And the thing is, they're vital to your health. So I hope you're ready, because this is why I wanted to skip everything and just jump right into it. I want to deep dive into it. It's fascinating as hell for me. Hopefully it is for you as well. Why they're essential, and then I want to explore why they're so important to our overall well-being. So what are these things anyway? What are essential amino acids? Well, here's the deal. EAAs, or essential amino acids, they're like the VIPs of the amino acid worlds. They're the ones that your body can't make them on their own, which means the only way you're going to get them is through your diet. So the 9 I'm just going to list them off for you. We got histidine, isoleucine, just leucine, lysine, methionine. Then there's phenylalanine. Say that fast 3 times. Phenylalanine. Then we got theanine, tryptophan, and valine. They save the easiest one to pronounce for last. Now, each of these brings their own unique little strengths to the party that is your body. So I'm going to break down what each one of those things can do for us and what they do for us. But ultimately, protein, they're the building blocks of life, and they play an important role from everything from muscle growth to repair, enzyme function, immune support. So we kind of need this stuff. So I want to take a closer look at like each one of them and what they do and how they help and serve us. So histidine, this amino acid helps your body produce histamine. Achoo. Yeah, that one. Okay. Which is, it's involved in immune responses and also digestion. There's a lot going on in your gut that helps your overall systemic body. So then you got isoleucine, leucine, and valine. just cover all those in one shot because they are also known as BCAAs, or branch chain amino acids. Those are very necessary for muscle growth, repair, and energy production. Lysine, Jurassic Park reference for you if you remember that original film. It's the key player to a couple things that are important: collagen synthesis, tissue repair, calcium absorption. So if you're low on calcium and you're going to be taking it, take it with some lysine, and it'll help it absorb better. But then we got methionine, and this acts as a precursor for a whole lot of vital compounds in things like glutathione, which helps detoxify harmful substances in your body, like just clears out the junk. So we kind of need that, right? Phenylalanine, if I said it right. It's the building block for neurotransmitters like dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Man, working my mouth today. So again, phenylalanine, building block for neurotransmitters such as dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. So we kind of need that for sure, right? Threonine is a vital compound in the synthesis of proteins, antibodies, and other compounds crucial for a robust immune system. So again, if your immune system is out, maybe you don't have enough of these essential amino acids. Histidine is very important in that, and then the threonine. Okay. Then tryptophan. So if ever, that some of you probably already are thinking turkey, right? Apparently, turkey is abundant in the amino acid tryptophan, which is one of the reasons they claim that we get sleepy after we eat Thanksgiving dinner. Frankly, if you ask me, I just think it's because there's a bunch of blood in our belly and it is all down there, not in our head, and you kind of need to take a nap. But what tryptophan really does is it's a precursor to serotonin. And that is also a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. And since we're on the topic of serotonin, did you know that your gut microbiome is a huge integral source of serotonin in your body? So I'm imagining by now you're starting to think, man, these things are kind of important. So you want to make sure that you're getting enough of them. You need a high protein diet all on your own. So the good news is that all the essential amino acids can be found in a whole variety of foods. Obviously, animal-based protein sources such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, these are all complete proteins, meaning they provide all 9 of the essential amino acids. Now, if you are following a plant-based diet, fear not. You can still get all of your EAAs by combining different plant protein sources such as legumes and nuts, seeds, and grains. You just got to be very strategic about that, because I want you to keep in mind that while you'll be getting that protein, you're also going to be getting all the carbs that come from that. So if you're not using those carbs, ultimately carbs become glycogen or sugar, and unused glycogen gets stored as what? Well, fat. If body comp is a thing for you, if that's important, then you need to be very careful with this. Makes sense, right? Like these essential amino acids, they're the unsung heroes, and this is your body's remarkable. I mean, the body is such a remarkable thing. So how it functions, how it repairs itself, how it thrives, how much energy you actually have, whether you're burning sugar as your primary source of fuel or if you've got fat as your primary source of fuel, all of that is dependent upon how much essential amino acids you got running around in your system. So you want to embrace a balanced diet, obviously. And so you want to have a diverse source of proteins. And when you do that, you can unlock the power of these little amino acid superheroes. And that will support overall health and well-being. So again, remember, this is Rich Man's Gym, strength and conditioning for body, mind, and spirit. I mean, think about it for a second. We talked about methionine, phenylalanine, and tryptophan all having impacts on neurotransmitters. So how your brain is going to work, how you're going to feel, right? Tryptophan, serotonin, like how you're going to feel throughout the day is dependent upon how much of this stuff you got. So don't shortchange yourself. That's the point of that. So next time you're enjoying a delicious meal, remember that you're not just satisfying the taste buds, but you're also nourishing your body with the essential amino acids that it craves. Now, additionally, it might make some sense to supplement with essential amino acids, especially if you're exercising. And because why? If you just take it as an essential amino acid, man, it just goes right in there. Your body just sucks it right on up. So some ideal times to do that would be, and this may not necessarily be in actual order of importance, but definitely make sure if you're going to supplement, this is when. Immediately following strenuous exercise, and especially if your focus is on muscle building, it might even make sense to take a little bit before and during the workout so you can support anabolism and endurance. It is also perfect to take in the morning. And if you're doing any kind of intermittent fasting, you don't want to like jack up your glucose ratio or ratings or any of that stuff, then definitely sipping an EAA drink throughout the day will get a steady supply of essential amino acids into your body without breaking fast or taking out of ketosis if that's something that you're doing. So if you're wondering, well, hey, Dave, what brand do you take or where do you get yours? I take Live Good essential amino acids. It's an exclusive formula of theirs, but it is not a hidden exclusive formula. The ingredients and the ratios are on the back, fully disclosed, which I thoroughly love about Live Good. But it's an optimized ratio. It's got all the aminos in there. It's got branched chain aminos as well. It's got the EAAs and the BCAAs. And what I really like about it is that it's got a little bit of electrolytes in there as well. The electrolyte thing is for a different podcast altogether, but just keep in mind electrolytes help your muscles function at optimum levels. It boosts your stamina and can increase recovery to promote healthy energy and focus. So if you're not currently on them and you'd like to try them, or you want to try the Live Good version that I'm on, I get the lemon lime flavor. I have not tried their fruit punch, but the lemon lime is great. Check out richmansgym.com/live good. And they got a whole bunch of other vitamins and supplements you can dive into as well. But go get yourself some of these aminos. Let me tell you how much they cost. You can get the aminos. You can get these right here. The retail price, if you are not a member, is $29.95, or if you are a member of Live Good, they're only $19.95. So it might make sense to look at that membership because, frankly, once you experience it, you're going to want to be on it for a while. So it might make sense to get the membership. The membership is literally $10 a month or $100 a year, and then you get these aminos for $19.95. Some of the other name brands are upward in the $50s to $70 for the exact same serving and size. So huge savings, high quality. Live Good just makes a ton of sense to me. So as I wrap up today's episode, is there any questions that I missed? Did I miss anything? Let me know. Leave a comment below. Let me know if I missed something. Do you have a new question? Then maybe we can do a secondary episode on essential amino acids and maybe just BCAAs or something. What else can I tell you about protein and aminos? Any questions about Live Good, leave a comment below. Are you on EAAs now? When do you take them and how do they best help you? Let me know. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you watching. This is Rich Man's Gym, strength and conditioning for body, mind, and spirit. Train anywhere, and I'll talk to you soon.